Hey guys, so if you have a GE dishwasher or similar, I want to give you just a quick little tip on how to diagnose what's wrong with it. Mine, for example, there's no power. I've tried, cycling the breaker and still cannot get any power whatsoever. So opening up the bottom down here, you'll remove obviously the bracket that holds it in place, and then as well as this sound dampening material. And then normally mine was over here, but there's usually like a service sheet, that will be tucked under your dishwasher, hopefully. So if you can find it, pull it out. But down here, as you can see, I have removed the control board. Normally it is like up here, but once you've found yours and taken it down, you may have to disconnect, obviously like some of these plugs in order to get it visible. I've replugged everything in, and then obviously you want to make sure you turn off your dishwasher at the breaker first before you do any of this. Yeah, you do not want to get electrocuted or anything like that. So I've replugged everything back in, and on this board is a service LED, and I will show you what the steps are to take. So I've got a switch up here. I'll turn it back on. Now there's power to the unit. And as you can see, that flashing LED, it is rapidly flashing, at least 4 times per second at least. And so if you go over to your service guide, if you have it, as you can see, service LED, and my issue is right here, flashing rapidly 4 times per second. Software error, replace the machine control board. So before you fire the parts cannon on it, obviously just make sure you test it out and just see what the issue may be, so you know what parts to actually buy. So hopefully this helps.